Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve one interesting problem uh, related to the analysis of LTI CT system. Okay, so in the previous two videos, we solved two more problems. Okay, so in the first thing, the transfer function and x of t is given, we calculated the response. In the second problem, the differentiation equation, the system equation is given, input is given, we calculated the output. Okay, so here you see it's a December 2017 question. What is the question means? Determine unit step response of the LTI system defined by this one. Okay, so here what are the given data? So we needed two input. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, we needed two input. In the first problem, transfer function input is given. In the second problem, the differentiation equation is given and input is given. But in this problem, only differential equation is given. What about the another one? The input is given, but input is not directly given. But here you see, determine, the question is determine unit step response. What is mean by unit step response? So impulse response we discussed. You know, what is mean by impulse response? Impulse response is nothing but the response of the particular system for the given input x of t equal to del of t. Okay, unit impulse signal if you are applying to the system, at the time we will get some output. That output is called as impulse response. Similarly here, step response we have to calculate. So what is mean by step response? Step response is defined as response of the system for the given input is a unit step input x of t equal to u of t. So here directly the input x of t equal to u of t is not mentioning. So we have to understand that in the question determine unit step response. So that is indirectly the input is given. The input is a unit step signal u of t. Okay, so two data given. One is differential equation is given. Another one is input is given. So our aim is to find out the response. What is response? Output we have to calculate. Okay, that's all. Okay, it's the thing. So this unit step response, it is also one of the 2 mark question. So unit step response is defined as response of the system for the given input is unit step input. Okay, u of t. So now we are going to solve the problem. So first the given differential equation you have to write. Okay, this is the differential equation. D squared y of t by dt squared plus 5 into dy of t divided by dt plus 6y of t equal to dx of t by dt plus x of t. Okay, so this is the differential equation of the given system equation. Here this y of t is a output, x of t is a input. Okay, so what this y of t, it is a present output. dy of t divided by dt is a previous output. D squared y of t divided by dt is a previous output. Okay, that is the meaning. Similarly, x of t is the present input. Dx of t divided by dt is a previous input. So according to this equation, the present input, previous input and previous input. Okay, it is depending upon the present input as well as the previous input also. Okay, so now in order to solve this problem, so first we are going to take a Laplace transform for the above equation using differentiation property of Laplace transform. Okay, so for individual term we have to take Laplace transform. So what is the Laplace transform of the first term? D squared y of t divided by dt squared. So d squared 2 time differentiation. So s squared into capital Y of s. Okay, here all initial conditions are 0. Okay, since in the problem they are not mentioning the initial condition, so we are assuming it as initial conditions are 0. Okay, only d squared y of t divided by dt squared means the Laplace transform is s squared y of s. Okay, plus 5 into, what is the Laplace transform of dy of t by dt? S into y of s, plus 6 into, what is the Laplace transform of y of t? Capital Y of s, equal to, what is the Laplace transform of dx of t divided by dt? S into capital X of s, plus what is the Laplace transform of x of t? X of s. Okay, so here you see in the left side term we have to take y of s as a common. So you just take y of s common. So s squared plus 5s plus 6 equal to, here x of s term you take as a common, s plus 1 into x of s. Okay, So here our question is that we have to find the response y of s. So you keep y of s in the left side. So the remaining term you give it to the right side. So y of s equal to s plus 1 divided by s squared plus 5s plus 6 into x of s. Okay. So now we have to substitute the value of x of s. Okay. So what is the given input? So here we have to find out the unit step response. So unit step response means the response of the system for the condition input x of t equal to u of t. Okay. So the unit step signal x of t is a unit step signal. So taking Laplace transform for this unit step signal, what is the Laplace transform of unit step signal in the second unit we solved? Okay, here no need to solve, only the answer we have to write. So the Laplace transform of u of t is 1 divided by s. Okay, so the x of s value is 1 divided by s. So this x of s value we have to substitute in the equation number 1. So we got y of s equal to s plus 1 by s squared plus 5s plus 6 into 1 divided by s. Okay, so but here we can write as s plus 1 by s into, so here this second order equation we have to factorize. Okay, so how to factorize this term? S plus 2, s plus 3. Okay, so now you see in the denominator of this y of s, there is a 3 roots are there. Okay, so what is our aim? Our aim is to find out the small y of t. Okay, that is a step response. So here the Laplace transform answer is there. So we have to follow the inverse Laplace transform procedure. Okay, so in partial fraction, so in order to take inverse Laplace transform in partial fraction expansion, this y of s, it can be written as a by s plus b by the second value plus c by the third value s plus 3. So consider this the equation number 3. So now we have to calculate the value of a, b and c. Okay. So how to calculate a? You know the procedure. Okay. So we discussed so many times. So how to calculate a? A value is, what is the value under a? S multiplied with the total value y of s at s is equal to 0. S means the s value answer is 0. So which is equal to s into, what is the value of y of s? S plus 1 by s into s plus 2 s plus 3. Okay, at the condition s equal to 0. So here s cancel. So in the remaining wherever s is available, you just substitute s is equal to 0. So we got 1 by 2 into 3, that is 1 by 6. Okay, similarly we have to calculate b. So how to calculate b? What is the value under b? S plus 2 into y of s at s is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here s plus 2 cancel. Then in the remaining thing we have to substitute s is equal to minus 2. So we got the answer 1 by 2. Similarly, the c value is calculated as minus 2 by 3. So after calculating a, b, c, we have to substitute this a, b, c in the y of s equation. That is equation number 3. Okay, so substituting the value of ABC in equation number 3. So we got y of s equal to 1 by 6 by s plus 1 by 2 by s plus 2 minus 2 by 3 by s plus 3. Okay, so now you have to take the inverse Laplace transform for the above equation. So what is the inverse Laplace transform of y of s? Small y of t equal to this constant you keep as it is. So what is the remaining term? 1 by s. Okay, so you know which signal is having the Laplace transform answer 1 by s? U of t. Okay, so the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s is u of t. Then plus 1 by 2, remaining term 1 by s plus 2. Okay, which signal is having the Laplace transform 1 by s plus a structure? E power minus at. Okay, so e power minus 2t u of t. Then minus 2 by 3, the inverse Laplace transform is e power minus 3t u of t. Okay, so that's all. So this is the step response of the system. Okay.